How to hide number on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss whether or not it is possible for us to hide number on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to figure out whether or not it is possible for you to hide your number on WhatsApp, unfortunately I will tell you right off the start, it is not possible. But there are some very meticulous reasons and some very valid reasons as to why you will not be able to do this. Now you know Telegram, right? Telegram does have a feature that will let you to block or hide your numbers if you're in a public group, so that other people will not be able to access your phone number and directly contact or call or disturb you. But with WhatsApp that's not the case. But Telegram and WhatsApp is different. WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted and Telegram is not end-to-end encrypted. By this, what I mean is that if you don't choose to back up your chats on WhatsApp, of course WhatsApp is not going to back them up and you won't be able to access those chats next time on another device or maybe on the same device when you try to log in, unless you choose to back up and restore them manually, because WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted. It was built for privacy reasons. But on Telegram, aside from phone number, people can add you by your username, and it is not end-to-end encrypted because Telegram keeps the data as to who you talk to, what groups you're in, what kind of activities you are doing. They are keeping a track of everything in Telegram. That is why on Telegram, even if you log in on a new device, all your group chats, everything is going to be there because Telegram is not end-to-end encrypted. So that is a very distinctive thing you want to understand between these two applications and the both functions. Hopefully, I'm not sure though why this is not possible, because WhatsApp could just add that feature in the future, maybe, hopefully, at least in groups, because we don't want people in the group to come to know about our phone number. In that case, we might be able to hide it, but other than that, I see no way around. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching to the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.